Hey, I'm Matt Savage. This is my son, Rhodes Savage. We're from Chicago, Illinois. However, we live in Mexico near Puerto Aventuras, between Playa and Tulum.
My name is Rhodes and I'm 13. It's improved my surfing. I feel like I've shot up like so many levels. I feel more confident in my surfing, and yeah.
I was impressed with Richie's training. You know, Rhodes has been surfing for a while, and we don't have that opportunity to surf a lot in where we live because of the wave situation. But throughout the summer, Rhodes was doing video calls with Richie, talking about all the fundamentals, the changes that he could make in his surfing. And he hadn't been in the water for months, really. And then we came here just a couple of weeks ago, and I think he's a new surfer. He was able to apply all of that stuff he learned outside of the waves, and then once he got on the wave, he was completely different. Very proud of this guy for executing all that he's done this week.
Yeah, it was kind of crazy. I was kind of surprised at myself for actually going for some of those. I enjoy just surfing in general, so I don't care what size the wave is, really, but it's super fun. Yeah.
You're kamikaze, bro.